Welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. My favorite sub at Subway is an Italian BMT. Love it so much. Well, today I'm going to take that Italian BMT and do it with a twist. I'm going to turn it into an Italian BMT pinwheel. Pinwheel, pinwheel, turn me around. Let's make a pinwheel now. I'm using 2 packs of Crescent Rolls. Smack it! Ooh. I'm laying out the dough in rectangles, pushing the perforations together. Pepperoni, salami, and some Black Forest ham. And whenever I get an Italian BMT, I always ask for provolone cheese. BMT actually stands for biggest, meatiest, tastiest. Did you know that? Now you roll up that pinwheel. Slice it into pieces. Place it on baking tray. Whenever I get an Italian BMT, I always get it on Italian herbs and cheese bread. So I'm going to do that with a little olive oil, some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, and some Parmesan cheese. Spread that on top. I'm going to put them in a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I got Italian BMT pinwheels. But did they taste good? I'll be the judge of that. Absolute perfection. Great flavors. Phenomenal. If you were to make a pinwheel out of a Subway sub, which Subway sub would you turn into a pinwheel? Thank you so much for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's great having you, and I'll see you next time. Why couldn't anyone understand the retired perfume worker? Because he no longer made sense.